Hi, my name is Jay Nelson, owner of RCV Roofing, Siding, and Gutters. In this video, I'm going to explain your metal roofing options for your roof replacement. We offer two different styles of metal roofing. One is your ribbed style exposed fastener roof, and the other is your standing seam hidden fastener style roof. Our standard metal roof estimate comes with a 29 gauge rib panel roof. This is a little bit thinner of a metal. However, you can easily install this on several different roof types. This panel you can actually install on one layer of shingles with an inspection and a qualified roof, and we'll actually install another vapor barrier on top of the shingles as well. Or what we strongly recommend is to remove all the existing roofing materials, install some high temperature underlayments, and then the panel. We also offer an option in this style of panel is called our Armor Upgrade. This is a paid upgrade option, and it takes the thickness of the metal and changes it to a 26 gauge roofing panel. Yes, 26 gauge is a lower number, but that means it's actually thicker. So that is an available option. We have some more options available with this style panel, but they're also available at standing seam, so we'll get to those in a bit. The other metal roofing type that we offer is standing seam. This metal is actually a hidden fastener type system. It comes with the 26 gauge thickness already in it, and it's a lot different of a style than traditional rib. It's really sharp, adds some class to the roof. However, this metal roof requires a complete tear off of your existing roofing materials due to RCV requirements. That clean look on a flat surface is the best way to go by far. The cost is a little more than the traditional rib style roof, but the sleekness really pays off. You also have some options with the standing seam and rib panel roofs that we'll go over now together. And that includes your snow bars, your crinkle coat, and your shield upgrades. One paid option that you have for both standing seam and rib panels is the crinkle coat. The crinkle coat actually is a second coat of paint on there that is textured, and it offers a matte finish, giving it a real cool trendy look. Another paid option that you have for both ribbed and standing seam panels are snow bars. Snow bars are very important because they can prevent injury or some serious damage to your property. They'll hold the snow and the ice back and to hold it from sliding off in large chunks, allowing it to melt and come off in much smaller chunks. So we strongly recommend this to protect your gutters and even the property or people around your foundation. You have the rib style snow bar, and then you also have a standing seam style snow bar. Both come in the color of the panel that you chose for your roof. This is the solid snow bar in that color. The standing seam, you'll see this type of color, but it has a metal insert that will match the color of your roof in here. So you'll still see a little bit of that, but this does not screw into your standing seam panel. It actually has clamps that mount to the lips of the standing seam. This style does screw through like on the traditional exposed fastener rib style panel. The last paid upgrade for ribbed and standing seam roofs is the shield upgrade. RCV uses high temperature underlayments for ice and water and synthetic felt. The shield upgrade removes the synthetic felt and installs ice and water shield on the entire decking surface. The shield upgrade also extends the workmanship warranty from a standard 5 years to a 10-year. If you choose a rib panel roofing system and then you select the Armor Upgrade, which is the thicker gauge metal, and the Shield Upgrade, which is the ice and water shield on your entire decking surface, RCV calls this the Stronghold Upgrade. And simply put, it's by choosing both of those upgrades, we call that the Stronghold and give that at a discounted rate.